kali Nsanga baba ndabwera, kali matope mbuya tambirembo, kali matope baba bwera win. Ndabwera ba nyakudawa ba kali Nsanga wo, baba ndimwe nyale nyale ba, baba ndimwe cheza cheza ba, baba ndimwe nyale 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 nyale. Tambirembo banako, oh yeah re babako, oh yeah re baba, oinde oinde. The way I play my guitar based on the sounds I heard, because I grew up watching different types of sounds or different types of dances in my home village, Nsanje. So one of the instruments that is played there is Valimba. Some people call it xylophone. They play. I don't play that instrument, so I since I grew up listening to such kind of sounds, I transfer those sounds and put them here. So that's how I play, like. So it should be like. The other one is playing. The other one playing. So it's like three people are playing. This is the Valimba transferred from, that's xylophone in English, transferred to the guitar.